What up, y'all? Today on Jeff Does What, we got a different unboxing for y'all. What do we got? Temu. So, a lot of y'all know I've been doing a lot of 3D printing here lately, and I've been noticing more and more 3D print stuff on Temu. And I thought, why not check it out, see what all they have? And so we ordered a few random things on there to see what all we can actually get off of Temu. Now, this is different. Like I said, it's a different unboxing than what I'm used to, but I wanted to try something else out. And they have a lot of products to choose from, and it just seemed fitting. Oh, we got a bag and a bag. So, right offhand, I ordered, this is actually a little cleaning kit. Came with wire brushes, 2 pairs of tweezers, nozzle cleaning rods, and some tools so you can take off your the nozzle on your head. Now, as far as everything goes, heck, looks to be decent quality. And let me show you. Most tweezers, you know, don't line up at the ends. If I get this to zoom in right. Lines up like it should. I go through a lot of different tweezers on, well, I'm especially working on small, intricate stuff, and I hate it when the tweezers don't line up like they should at the tip. Well, next item, we have some microfibers. Now you might ask, why do I have microfibers? Well, I'm talking about 3D print stuff. You never have enough microfiber rags, especially when you're wiping off products or something. Say you get some dust or something after you're done cleaning off the product, something good to wipe down. Like I said, I buy these in bulk all the time. These feel just like the ones I get from Sam's. Great little product. Now our next item we have is something you have to have with 3D printing, and that is a good pair of snips. Same thing with these. Everything lines up. There's no random gap. Because you got to watch out, because sometimes this will be gapped and that's not going to work. They feel good in my hand. Like I said, look just like a lot of the ones that several manufacturers have sent me with their 3D printer. Next thing I got is something I can't open. There we go. Is a USB work light. Actually came in charged. I'm surprised about it. Bright too. So when you are cleaning stuff, you need something to work on. You have a nice light right there, and like I said, it's flexible and it's pretty bright. Like I said, I put it in not dark, see how actually bright it is, but it seems pretty good. As you see, this light is pretty bright. This is one of the only lights I have in here, with the exception of a fish tank light way off over there, and I think it's gonna work pretty good. Now some of this, I don't even remember what all I ordered. It's been a few weeks. Oh, a razor knife set. So we got three different holders, and a handful of different blades, which I will have to go through and clean this up because they did fall out of their casing, but never have enough razor blades or holders in any shop. Now, next one we have is some paint pens. Now, if you're doing a lot of craft stuff with the printing, always good to have something where you can color it in, because not all of us have a nice fancy 3D printer that can change colors, so we do have to color it ourselves. And these should work out pretty well. They do have a little strong smell to them, but that's also because they're freshly opened, so we'll see how well these work, and I'll let you know more later. So we keep unboxing. Next thing we have is filament rollers. Nice good bearings. And to test this out, we have some filament. Now, Temu did have a lot of different filaments to choose from. This right here is actually a wood filament. I don't want to open it quite yet, but I do have this glow-in-the-dark green filament I got from them as well. Doesn't quite work on these smaller rolls. I will have to get a bigger roll for that. But my 1 kilogram rolls, I know will work fine with that. But speaking of, actually, we also had, like I said, the glow in the dark green. And then we got a wood PLA. Now, like I said, this is supposed to mimic wood, and I didn't want to buy a big full roll of it. And I saw Temu had some on there, so might as well try it out and see how well their filament is. This is by ERYONE, is the name of the brand of this filament. Now, also on there, I did find some Creality 3D print nozzles. So I was able to get a 5-pack, or yeah, 5-pack of it on there. And we also got a small little screwdriver set where it has, looks like different size flatheads and Phillipses on there, because if you're tinkering with your 3D printer or even some of the lasers, it's great to have a small little set like this. And this, I'm not quite sure what it is. I got that for some reason. As we keep unboxing, I'm not even sure what this is. Like I said, I ordered a lot of this. It was right before Christmas when I ordered it. So I don't even remember what all I ordered anymore. Because, like I said, a lot of it, most of it's 3D print stuff. There is some other stuff I got that wasn't 3D print related. Oh, but this one is. This is a new board for my king room. So you see we got the pattern on one side, and then we got your standard textured plate on the other. I've been seeing a lot more of these pattern plates pop up online, and might as well give it a try for myself. Like I said, I got this for my king room in there. I'll have to try this out with that glow-in-the-dark PLA tonight. Now, I also, like I said, with me filming a lot more 3D print stuff, I wanted something I could do a time lapse with. So, got a nice little tripod. That is set up to hold cell phone. Now, the last thing we have in our first bag is a wire organizer. Because if you're like me, you constantly have different wires running all over the place, for whether it's a whole bunch of different lasers or the 3D printers or cameras or whatever it is. You need some good cable management. This right here's got some double-sided tape on the back of it. It's got 5 slots right here to help keep the cables managed. Now, this last item in the first bag is something I've been wanting to have, and I saw it and knew I needed to have it. So I got a Sunlu filament dryer. Like I said, they had it on Temu, and at the price it was, I want to say, around $50 on there. Maybe 40, I can't remember off the hand. I'll put that somewhere off in here. But like I said, it is a single chamber filament dryer. So what you do, you put your filament in there, especially if you're working with ABS or something. You don't want that high moisture. Put it in there, turn it on, and keeps your filament from getting moisture in there, because it will suck moisture out of the air. And anytime you're messing with your higher end filament, it can lead to a lot of trouble. So figure out how to get a filament dryer. Now with this next bag, I know this is going to be a lot more randomness besides 3D print stuff in here, but it's just something I wanted to try out from Temu and stuff to maybe help me in the shop when I'm working. So we ended up with some knee pads. I know what you're thinking. No, but I am constantly working on the floors in here a lot, because I haven't built the tables, mainly because I don't know how I want to build them here in the shop yet, and I keep changing my mind on what I want to do. Heck, I'm finally working on the counter y'all watched me build several months ago, because I was like, hey, it's time to start using it. It's been here, might as well make use of it. So we got this, so whenever I am out in the shop working. We also have a first aid kit. Now, it's a small one, but I am constantly messing with razor blades. So, nice little small kit. There's a handful of things in here. I figured it'd be something good just to have around in case I cut myself or something. Then, while looking on there, I saw some cards, and I knew I had to have them. Now, the way people are these days, you know, and I know, they can't park. So, got these to leave on some people's cars if I wanted to. Now, the last things I got were some Dotson signs. Like I said, me and my wife, we got 2 Dotsons, and she has a lot of Dotson decor, and I saw these. I was like, heck, these are cheap enough, and might as well check out the quality. Like I said, they're metal signs. Like I said, the mail service did bend these a little bit, but I'll be able to hammer these out fairly easy to make them back where they're in good shape. Now, I know this is a different video than what we are used to, especially on this tile unboxing, because I don't really do a lot of Temu stuff, but I just want to show you some of the stuff that you can get on Temu that I was not expecting, especially this dryer, the plate. I was able to get some parts, and there's a lot of other parts on there, and there's a lot of other electronics, especially if you are into modding your, say, your Creality V3 or something like that. They have a lot of different parts on there from different big brands that you'd be surprised that's on Temu. Now, it really surprised me, and I'm going to end up getting some more stuff off there just to play around with, see how well it works. Like I said, this right here, just a small little haul. I wanted to see how stuff was on there, and to give you some other options on there to help you with your 3D printing or just projects in general. Like I said, it saved me a lot of money on certain things because can't beat the pricing. Now, if there's something you want me to buy off of Temu, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Because if you're wanting to see it, heck, I'll do my best to make it happen. And if you can, share this video around with your friends. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, y'all take it easy.